Hello to everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today topic is rearrangement. Rearrangement, this is from MSc Chemistry, second year, fourth semester, and subject is Organic Chemistry, Organic Synthesis Unit 4. टॉपिक हम करेंगे आज रीअरेंजमेंट। इस टॉपिक में कवर करेंगे कि व्हाट इज रीअरेंजमेंट, रीअरेंजमेंट होती क्या है, टाइप्स ऑफ रीअरेंजमेंट, माइग्रेटरी एप्टीट्यूड एंड देयर मेमोरी इफेक्ट, ये सब हम इस वीडियो में कवर करेंगे। सो नाउ स्टार्ट organic synthesis, rearrangement. Now, a rearrangement may be defined as any chemical process involving the breaking and forming a sigma and pi bond. You already know what is sigma bond, that is single bond, and pi bond, we are having double bond, in which an atom or group moves from one atom to another, resulting in structural rearrangement of the original molecule. कि एक एटम का दूसरी जगह चले जाना, बॉन्ड का चेंज होना, शिफ्ट होना, उसको हम रीअरेंजमेंट बोलते हैं। एक एग्जांपल लिए यहाँ पे, द कन्वर्जन ऑफ W, जो A है वो अटैच्ड है बॉन्ड के साथ W और B के साथ, इट कन्वर्टेड टू द A B, अब B अटैच हो गया A और W के साथ। ओके, सो इज द एग्जांपल ऑफ रीअरेंजमेंट। You can see there the atom from which the group migrate is known as migration origin. जो जिस ग्रुप से माइग्रेट हो रहा है उसको माइग्रेशन ओरिजिन बोलते हैं। एंड द एटम ऑफ विच इज माइग्रेट, जो एटम माइग्रेट हो रहा है, शिफ्ट हो रहा है, is termed as migration terminus, and the group which migrate is known as migrating group. Now you can see that A is migration origin, जहाँ से ये शिफ्ट हो रहा है, and migration terminus, और इसने ले ली है वैल्यू, इसने पोजीशन ली है, ए बी ने ए की पोजीशन ली है, एंड डब्ल्यू इज माइग्रेटरी ग्रुप, जो कि शिफ्ट होके बी के साथ अटैच हो गया। ठीक, नाउ नेक्स्ट, इन अ रीअरेंजमेंट द माइग्रेटिंग ग्रुप डब्ल्यू may completely detach itself from atom A before combining the atom B of the same molecule. This type of rearrangement is a two-step process and known as intermolecular rearrangement. ये मैं बता देती हूँ कैसे हुआ है, कि ये कहना क्या चाहते हैं कि अगर एक शिफ्ट हो रहा है रेंज, एक मॉलिक्यूल से दूसरे मॉलिक्यूल में, जैसे ये W, दिस इज A एंड दिस इज B, और ये शिफ्ट हुआ है WBA, जो ये W है यहाँ से ब्रेक होके कहाँ पे फॉर्म हो गया, यहाँ पे फॉर्म हो गया। तो इसके बीच में जो इंटरमीडिएट बना है वो कैसे होगा, इसके बीच में ये रिजल्ट बनने से पहले कि B के साथ एक पार्शली बॉन्ड बनाया है W ने, और इसके साथ ब्रेक हो रहा है तो ये भी पार्शली बॉन्ड। तो नेक्स्ट स्टेप में क्या होगा कि ये इसके साथ अटैच हो जाएगा और ये इसके साथ ब्रेक हो जाएगा, दिस विल बी ब्रेक एंड दिस विल अटैच्ड। ओके, in other type of rearrangement, W may remain partially attached to both the atoms and AB during the whole process of rearrangement. Such type of rearrangement is a one-step process and is called intramolecular rearrangement. ऐसी जो इनमें one step वाली, उसको बोलते हैं intramolecular rearrangement. This type of rearrangement occurs more frequently if migration of migrating group takes place from one atom to adjacent atom, then this type of migration is called Whitmore 1-2 shift. ठीक है, ये जो W है इस एटम से शिफ्ट होके adjacent एटम पे लग गया, तो this is called 1-2 shift. 1-3 shift, 1-4 shift and 1-5 shift etc. are also known, but most common shift is 1-2 shift. Now next, the types. Molecular rearrangement may be grouped under the following categories. Heterolytic arrangement, first is heterolytic. In such stepwise reaction, initial fragmentations gives rise to a positively or negatively charged species which can undergo rearrangement. Now you can see that this is shifted to this. Now nucleophilic or anisotropic rearrangement, in which migrating group retains the electrons, and here is migrating group gives, and this is terminus. Electrophilic or cation or tropic tinotropic rearrangement. In this, it gives up its electron. Nucleophilic rearrangement occurs when an electron deficient site is generated close to a group capable of migrating using either a lone pair or a bonding pair of electrons. The most commonest situation occurs when the migration origin and migration terminus are on adjacent atom with the migrating species being either hydride or an alkyl group, and these processes are referred to as 1,2 hydride shift or 1,2 alkyl shift respectively. Next, migrating group in this rearrangement may also be aryl, ring residue, side chain, halogen atom, हाइड्रोक्सिल ग्रुप, अमीनो ग्रुप, अ डबल बॉन्ड और अ ट्रिपल बॉन्ड, ये सब ये हो सकते हैं ये ग्रुप में माइग्रेटिंग ग्रुप, ठीक है। एंड जो माइग्रेटिंग ग्रुप है वो ये सब हो सकते हैं। द माइग्रेशन ओरिजिन एंड माइग्रेशन टर्मिनस में भी जनरली कार्बन, नाइट्रोजन और ऑक्सीजन। माइग्रेशन ओरिजिन के लिए कौन से एटम्स है? कार्बन, नाइट्रोजन और ऑक्सीजन, ये जनरली यही मॉलिक्यूल्स और एटम्स होते हैं। इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक रीअरेंजमेंट इज एन अनकॉमन रीअरेंजमेंट. This is involves the migration of an alkyl group from a heteroatom such as nitrogen, oxygen and sulfur to the carbonic center. Next is homolytic arrangement. These reactions are also stepwise. ये भी stepwise reaction है with initial bond cleavage taking place to produce a radical species processing an unpaired electron prior to migration. Here you can see that here is bond cleavage producing radical species. This rearrangement is known as free radical rearrangement. So this is free radical. In this rearrangement, migrating group may be aryl, vinyl, halo group etc. मतलब जो homolytic rearrangement है इसमें जो migrating group है कौन कौन से हो सकते हैं? aryl हो सकता है, vinyl हो सकता है, halo group हो सकते हैं etc. And hydrogen and alkyl group usually do not migrate in the 1,2 shift. This rearrangement is usually carried out in the gas phase. Next is aromatic rearrangement. Aromatic rearrangement are reactions in which a group migrates from one position to another in an aromatic system. मतलब aromatic ring system में से एक position से दूसरी position पे shift हो जाएगा and or a form of side chain into the nucleus. एंड ये क्या फॉर्म करेगा? साइड से न्यूक्लियस के अराउंड. एरोमेटिक रीअरेंजमेंट आर इनिशिएटेड आइदर बाय फोटोनेशन और बाय अ लुईस एसिड. न्यूक्लियोफिलिक रीअरेंजमेंट इट हैज 3 टाइप्स. ये हमारे पास 4 टाइप है न्यूक्लियोफिलिक रीअरेंजमेंट और इसकी फर्दर 3 टाइप्स है. फर्स्ट इज माइग्रेशन टू इलेक्ट्रॉन डेफिशिएंट कार्बन. द रीअरेंजमेंट टेक्स प्लेस इन विच रिएक्शन इंटरमीडिएट इज कार्बोकेटाइन. The most common situation occurs when the migration terminals are on adjacent atom with the migration species being either a halide or an aryl group, and these processes are referred to as 1,2 shift. Now you can see that this is W is migratory group shifted to this carbon. Many nucleophilic rearrangements after grouped under the heading of Wagner-Mirivier shift occur by the 1,2 migration of an alkyl group to a ये वाला टॉपिक हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में करेंगे. Wagner-Mirivier shift, alkyl group to carbocation center. Almost invariably, the many driving force for such rearrangement is the formation of a more stable carbocation, perhaps with some associated release from steric compression. Next, second type is migration to electron deficient nitrogen. This type of rearrangement takes place where the reaction intermediate is nitrene. One means generating a nitrene is via decomposition of an acyl azide. This is scheme 1. इसको देखते हैं. acyl azide है. इसमें क्या हो रहा है कि जो ये एक्स्ट्रा 9 था, एक्स्ट्रा के टाइम ये जो बॉन्ड है पहले इसके ऊपर शिफ्ट हो जाएगा तो ये ट्रिपल बॉन्ड बन जाएगा, ठीक है. और इस पे क्या आ जाएगा? नेगेटिव चार्ज, क्योंकि इसमें कमी आ गई है इस बॉन्ड की. उसके बाद इसको रीअरेंज किया, ये बॉन्ड इस पे शिफ्ट हो गया तो ये बिल्कुल सेपरेट हो गया N2 और ये वाला हमारे पास पार्ट बच गया. ये क्या बन गया हमारे पास नाइट्रीन। अब जो इसका लोन पेयर है वो इस साइड शिफ्ट होगा और ये बॉन्ड शिफ्ट हो जाएगा इधर, तो हमारे पास क्या बन गया, आइसोसायानेट। नेक्स्ट, द हॉफमैन अरेंजमेंट probably occur via concentrated mechanism without forming the nitrine intermediate. Here you can see that there is a molecule now adding a contraction, reaction with Br2. So we will get here NHBr. Now base is added. So here is negative charge because of lack of bond valence, complete valency. So here is shifted and R is shifted to this negative charge. Now this reaction is this molecule is this. Another important rearrangement in this series is the Beckmann rearrangement of ketoxime, in which concentrated stereoselective migration of alkyl or aryl group anti to the hydroxyl group is a key feature. Now you can see that here alcohol is removed and here a bond is shifted to N, and here is a positive charge, that is formation of carbocation, and this is lone pair shifted to this and formation of bond, and here is positive charge because one bond is more. The common fate of the initial migration product involve nucleophilic addition of the hydroxyl solvent, in which such rearrangement are usually carried out by this reaction. You can see that here when added in water, so we will get here carbon dioxide is removed, this bond is break, and here is NH2. Now next further reaction, here carbocation is formed and here we will attached with OH hydroxyl group and this group is formed. Migration of electron, third type of this reaction, migration of electron deficient oxygen. This is the least common nucleophilic rearrangement. This consists of Barrier-Releaser rearrangement and hydroperoxide rearrangement, in which heterodielectric cleavage of peroxide bond occur in concert with an alkyl group and migration parallel carbon to nitrogen rearrangement. The leaving group is commonly a carboxylic group, acid or a conjugated base. Reaction intermediate of these reagents is oxonium cation. Now this is ketone and react with the acetic acid. So we will get here these are attached to C on C and this will be attached by this, and this bond is shifted on O and this bond is cleaved by this. So we will get here these terms. Next topic is migratory aptitude. The age with which any particular group migrates is known as its migratory group. All groups do not migrate with equal ease in rearrangement. Experience shows that an observed order of migratory aptitude would apply to only one type of rearrangement. In certain cases, which group migrates is settled by the geometry of molecules. For example, Beckmann rearrangement, only the group trans to OH hydroxyl group migrate, and in compounds whose geometry is not restricted in this manner, there still may be a ellipsing effect, so that the choice of migrating group is largely determined by group which is in the right place in the most stable conformation of the molecule. In some reactions, for example, Wagner-Melvin and Pinnacle rearrangement, the molecule may contain several groups which geometrically have approximately equal chance of migrating. These reactions have often been used for the direct study of the relative migratory aptitude. For detail of migratory aptitude of different groups, see a particular type of rearrangement. For example, Pinnacle-Pinnacolone rearrangement, Wagner-Melvin rearrangement, and Barrier-Releaser rearrangement. These topics we will discuss in videos, further videos. Now next is memory effect. To understand memory effect, let us consider the following reactions. Here endoisomer. Now you can see that these are shifted and by solvences we will get here this this product and again shift of 1 7 bond. Here is first bond, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and this is seventh bond is shifted to get positive charge. So we will get these products and again rearrangement. By rearrangement we will get this. This is bicyclical COHAL, and these products by solvencies we will get here carbocation. Again rearrangement we will get these reactions. Solvencies of the endobicyclic compound 1 axis O and S or bromine gave mostly the bicyclical COHAL 4 along with a smaller amount of the tricyclical COHAL 8, whereas solvencies of exoisomer 5 gave mostly 8 with smaller amount of 4. Thus, the two isomers gave entirely different ratios of the product, though the carbocation initially formed 2 or 6 seems to the same for each other. ये जो मैंने लिखा हुआ है ना, ये इस प्रोडक्ट के बारे में है, तो आप एक बार वीडियो पॉज करके चाहे इसको प्रोडक्ट को दोबारा देख के, या इसको अगर कॉपी करोगे नोट्स को तो आप एक बार इसको दोबारा से देख के पढ़ लेना, तो आपको समझ आ जाएगा ये ऐसे. नेक्स्ट, इन द केस ऑफ second rearrangement, you can see that here second rearrangement is, this is 3 and this is second. Okay, these are second rearrangement में क्या किया हमने, 7 बॉन्ड, 7th जो था हमारे पास उसके बॉन्ड को हमने शिफ्ट किया है. so it will be follows, whereas with 6 it is an intermolecular addition of the carbocation carbon to the double bond which follows. It seems to as 2 and 6 remember how they were formed before they go on to give the second step. Such effects are called memory effect. The cause these effects are not well understood. However, some of the possible causes are as follow. First is differential solvation of apparently identical carbonium ion 2 and 6. Next, second is the ions have geometrical structure which are twisted in opposite ways. For example, a twisted 6 might have its positive carbon closer to the double bond than a twisted 2. Now you can see that here these are twisted. And third is ion pairing is responsible, and fourth is non-classical carbocations are involved. अगर आपको नोट्स भी चाहिए, इसकी PDF चाहिए, तो आप मेरे को मैसेज कर देना कमेंट बॉक्स में. आई विल प्रोवाइड यू, एंड आई होप you understood this video and topic. So thank you very much.